Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely great. So in this video, we are going to discuss how ratings and reviews are important for your business and how WhatsApp helps us in that. Now, more than product page descriptions, chatbots, and the website's search tool, shoppers rely on ratings and reviews when making informed product decisions online. Consumers, however, are not just using them online. According to Deloitte and Touche LLP research commissioned by Bazaar Voice, the vast majority, about 82% of shoppers, search for products online before going in store. And more than a third read product reviews on their smartphones while looking at the same product in store. When shoppers are in the final stages of their decision-making process, they frequently turn to ratings and reviews to help them choose their product. Nearly 70% of shoppers frequently or always look at available reviews, and 60% of shoppers frequently or always look at customer photos. This not only makes them feel more confident in their decision, but it can also influence how much money they are willing to spend. We also discovered that reviews influenced half of the shoppers to purchase a more expensive product than planned. Now, it might be surprising for you to learn that consumers value more than just positive reviews. More than half, that is 60%, say negative reviews are just as important in their purchasing decision. The majority, that is 62%, believe this is due to the fact that they can contain more pros and cons than positive reviews. When browsing reviews, however, shoppers are most likely to be influenced by a large number of reviews, nearly 46%. Followed by a star rating, nearly 42%, when making a purchasing decision. Shoppers who do not usually read reviews say they would like to see more reviews from people like them, as well as more customer photos. Showing reviews on your website is an excellent first step towards gaining the trust of your customers. But do not forget about step number 2. Responding to the reviews. Approximately 1/3 of shoppers expect businesses to publicly respond to their reviews, whether positive or negative. Almost half, nearly 48%, believe that brands responding to their reviews increases the likelihood of purchasing the product. You can ask your customers to leave a feedback on your product or service. Provide them with links or options for responding to a survey. Because WhatsApp is such a popular communication platform, it can actually encourage your customers to provide more accurate feedback. Give them creative ways to provide feedback and they will interact with you. So a great way to get ratings and reviews from your customers can be the WhatsApp business application. Well, if you found this video helpful and useful, do tell us about it in the comment section down below. We read and reply to every comment. Every comment is important for us. Also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Do click on the bell icon to get notification every time we upload a video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.